Hi everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and easy recipe for cheesy baked spaghetti and meatballs. It's perfect for a weeknight dinner, and it's sure to be a hit with the whole family. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 1 pound of spaghetti. 1 jar of your favorite pasta sauce. 1 pound of ground beef. Half a cup of breadcrumbs. A quarter cup of grated Parmesan cheese. 1 egg. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, cook the spaghetti according to the package instructions until it's al dente. Drain it and set it aside. Next, we'll make the meatballs. In a bowl, combine the ground beef, breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, egg, salt, and pepper. Mix everything together until it's well combined. Roll the mixture into small meatballs, about the size of a golf ball. Now, it's time to assemble the dish. In a baking dish, spread a layer of pasta sauce on the bottom. Then, add the cooked spaghetti on top of the sauce. Pour the rest of the pasta sauce over the spaghetti and stir it all together. Place the meatballs on top of the spaghetti, and then sprinkle the shredded mozzarella cheese on top. Cover the dish with foil, and bake it in the oven for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, remove the foil from the dish, and bake it for an additional 10 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. And that's it. Your cheesy baked spaghetti and meatballs is ready to serve. I like to garnish mine with some fresh chopped parsley and extra grated Parmesan cheese. It's a hearty and satisfying dish that's perfect for a cozy night in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.